Guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing walking planks or high-low planks. So for these, we're going to start either in a high plank or a low plank. If we're in our high plank, shoulders, elbows, wrists, all in one straight line. Or if we're in our low plank, then our elbows are going to be directly below our shoulders. When we're in our high plank, we want our fingers spread because this is going to help us balance. We're going to press the ground away. So this is going to make sure that our upper backs are nice and engaged. We're going to squeeze our abs, we're going to squeeze our butt, and we're going to flex our quads. Feet can be separate because we do have to balance and we want to rock as little as possible. So I'm pressing the ground away, but now I'm going to come down onto one of my forearms, followed by my other forearm. Still, glutes are super engaged here, so I'm rocking as little as possible as I come down into my low plank, then back up into my high plank. These are awesome for the shoulders and for the core. So if you want to know how to put these into your workouts, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.